To check if your Elo screen has power, first we're going to look for the remote magnetized to the back of the screen. Once identified, the power button is all the way to the right. Pressing that will turn the green light on. When the green light stays steady, that means you have power and the screen should turn on. If the green light doesn't turn on, confirm that the screen is connected to an outlet with power. There are two types of computers your Elo screen can have. The first slides into the back of the screen on the left-hand side. The second looks like a little black box like this. If your computer looks like this, for your safety, unplug everything first. Then we'll reach to the back left of the screen. We'll feel these two thumb screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. We'll loosen these, put our finger through the loop, slide it out about 2 inches for 10 seconds. After that, we'll push it back in, tighten those thumb screws, plug everything back in and see if we have power. If your computer looks like this, we can check the power by pressing the power button. When it turns blue, your computer has power. If the blue light doesn't turn on, confirm that your computer is plugged into an outlet with power. And if you're still having issues after these steps, please contact support.